In this video, we're still gonna talk about the problems regarding the top and the bottom thread. The cause of this problem is if we use this kind of bobbin, the plastic one, instead of the one that comes with the package, which is the steel one. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this plastic bobbin into the bobbin case. And as you can see clearly, the plastic bobbin doesn't fit well here compared to the steel one, where it fits perfectly. We'll try sewing using the plastic bobbin. You can see how loose the stitches are, and once I pull the thread, it completely came off. Now let's try sewing it using the steel bobbin. See, the stitches are totally okay. There's no problem here.